Hello everyone. The law of the jungle. This saying is the best descriptive work of nature. Strong animals defeat weak animals. As you know, human beings are the top of food chain. You dominate all creatures on the ground with weapons. However, in the sea, what do you think? Which creatures are the top of food chain? Great white sharks like Jaws, Steven Spielberg? No. In Spanish, they are called assassin whales. In Japanese, they are called the gangs in the sea. What are they? They are killer whales. They look cute, but they are very strong. Because of their highly intelligence and their physical strength, they become the top of food chain. And because of I'm interested in killer whales and I like animals very much, and because of my doing extensive research about this topic, I can know a lot of things of killer whales. So I'm going to introduce you about killer whales, and we will take a look at 4 things. The first one is basic information of killer whales, and the second one is physical strength, and the third one is highly intelligence of them, and the last one is threats which killer whales are suffering for. Let's move on to the basic information. First of all, they live in the sea. And look at this slide. This map is their habitat. According to Alaska Fisheries Center, the blue areas are their habitats. They live almost all around the sea. And they live 50 to 80 years old, and they are socialized animals. They eat fish, marine mammals, and birds. Their body color is black and white, and this white area is not their eye. Their eye is here, and this white area is called eye patch. And according to SeaWorld organization, there is one hypothetical theory why they have this eye patch. This eye patch is useful at hunting. The prey can notice this white area, but because this is white area, but they cannot recognize their whole body because they can only just focus on this white area. So they can approach the great killer whales can approach them easily and hunt them easily. And according to Alaska Fisheries Center, there are 4 types: A, B, C, and D. Type A is the largest group, and they live in open water, and they feed mostly on the cetacean. And type B has the biggest eye patch, and they live in the sea near Antarctic. They feed mostly on cetacean, seals, and penguins. Type C is the smallest type, and they live in the sea near Antarctic, and they feed mostly on the fish. Type D has the smallest eye patch, and they travel around the sea, and it's not sure what they feed most on. And we know about the basic information, and do you know how strong they are? They are very strong, and I want to compare with the great white sharks, which many people think are the strongest animal in the sea. And we will take a body length and weight, swimming speed, skeleton, and jumping. According to National Geographic and Orca Zone organization, the average of body length of great white sharks is about 4.5 meters. On the other hand, killer whales are 6 to 9 meters. And killer whales are bigger than 1.5 bigger than the great white sharks. And the average of weight of great white sharks is about 850 kilograms. In contrast, killer whales are 6,000 to 10,000 kilograms, and it means killer whales are 10 times heavier than the great white sharks. Swimming speed. The great white sharks can swim 30 kilometers per hour, but killer whales can swim 65 kilometers per hour. 65 kilometers per hour is almost same as the speed of a high-speed craft. It is very fast. And I will show you some pictures. Please look at this picture. This is the skeleton of great white sharks. It is a fish. But this is the skeleton of killer whales. It looks like dinosaurs. And both of them can jump. Great white sharks jumps a little bit. On the other hand, killer whales jump very high. And now we know about the physical strength of killer whales. But killer whales have not only their physical strength, but also they are very intelligent. They have a big brain. Typically, big animals have big brains. But according to killer whale organization, scientists use brain weight to body weight as a rough measure of intelligence. And killer whales are 2.5 times bigger ratio than average. And the ratio is similar to those of chimps. Second, they communicate. As I said before, they are socialized animals, and they are the one pod is composed of 10 to 50 killer whales, and they use call. Call is a sound like our voice, and also they can learn. The killer whales can teach the younger killer whales how to hunt the prey. It means, and as a result, one paws can have their own hunting style. And also they have the high hunting ability. They use click. Click is an ultrasonic wave. And because of this click, they can know object location, size, and shape. According to Wisto O of University of Hawaii's Marine Mammal Research Program, they give palsy with using click, and they give shock to the object, and the object cannot move. And I will show you one short video. This video is hunting as a group, and one group hunts the one sea lion on the ice. So please look at this video.
The pod stays close together and travels silently. This time they unleash a much more powerful wave with astonishing accuracy.
As you watched it, the killer whales, group of killer whales can help and communicate each other and make a big wave. And the big wave hit the sea lion on the ice, and the sea lion dropped. And the sea lion was eaten by killer whales. After you understand how strong and how intelligent they are, maybe you think there is no opponents in the sea, but the population of killer whales is declining. So I'm going to tell you why they are decreasing. There are 4 risks. The first risk is by people. Some people hunt them to get meat and skin of them, but this case is very rare. The second risk is habitat pollution, such as oil spills. Habitat pollution affected them directly, and some killer whales die because of habitat pollution. And the third risk is decreasing prey. Because of water pollution or overfishing, the food of killer whales is decreasing. Because of lacking of food, they cannot live anymore. And the last risk is climate change. Because of global warming, the temperature of the sea is raised. And although killer whales can live the hot place, the prey cannot live. So killer whales is die. In conclusion, there are killer whales are very intelligent and they are very strong. Killer whales can hunt prey with group. Also, there are 4 risks. Human beings affected killer whales decreasing indirectly. So now you know about the killer whales, And if you see people who thinks great white sharks is the strongest animal in the sea, you can explain it is no. You can explain killer whales are the top of the food chain and their strength and their intelligence. And now you can explain current situation of killer whales. Thank you.